Our solar system 100 GK facts. The solar system consists of the Sun, 8 planets, 5 dwarf planets, over 200 moons, and millions of asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. It is located in the Orion arm of the Milky Way galaxy. The Sun accounts for over 99.8% of the total mass of the solar system. The Sun is a G-type main sequence star. Planets orbit the Sun in elliptical paths. There are two main types of planets: terrestrial, inner, and Jovian, outer. The four inner, terrestrial planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are primarily composed of rock and metal. The four outer, Jovian planets, gas giants, are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are primarily composed of hydrogen, helium, and methane. Mercury, smallest planet, closest to the Sun. Mercury has no significant atmosphere. Mercury experiences extreme temperature variations. Venus, second planet from the Sun, often called Earth's sister planet due to similar size. Venus rotates clockwise, retrograde rotation, unique among major planets. Venus has the hottest surface temperature among all planets due to a runaway greenhouse effect. Its atmosphere is thick, primarily carbon dioxide. Earth, third planet from the Sun, the only known planet to harbor life. Earth's atmosphere is composed mainly of nitrogen, 78%, and oxygen, 21%. Earth has one natural satellite, the Moon. Earth's tilt, axial tilt, causes seasons. Mars, fourth planet from the Sun, known as the red planet due to iron oxide on its surface. Mars has a thin atmosphere, primarily carbon dioxide. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos. Evidence suggests water ice exists at Mars poles and possibly subsurface. Jupiter, fifth planet from the Sun, largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is a gas giant, primarily hydrogen and helium. Jupiter has a prominent great red spot, a persistent high-pressure storm. Jupiter has at least 95 confirmed moons, including the 4 Galilean moons. The 4 Galilean moons are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, larger than Mercury. Europa is believed to have a subsurface ocean. Saturn, sixth planet from the Sun, known for its prominent ring system. Saturn's rings are composed mainly of ice particles and some rocky material. Saturn is the least dense planet in the solar system, would float in water. Saturn has at least 146 confirmed moons, including Titan. Titan is Saturn's largest moon and the only moon in the solar system with a dense atmosphere. Titan has lakes of liquid methane and ethane. Uranus, seventh planet from the Sun, an ice giant. Uranus rotates on its side, with an axial tilt of nearly 98 degrees. Uranus has a faint ring system and numerous moons. Its atmosphere contains methane, which gives it a blue-green color. Neptune, eighth and farthest known planet from the Sun, an ice giant. Neptune is known for its strong winds, the fastest in the solar system. Neptune has a great dark spot, similar to Jupiter's, but it's not permanent. Neptune has a few faint rings and 14 known moons, including Triton. Triton is Neptune's largest moon and orbits in a retrograde direction. Dwarf planets, celestial bodies orbiting the Sun, massive enough to be rounded by their own gravity, but not cleared their orbital neighborhood. The 5 officially recognized dwarf planets are Pluto, Eris, Makemake, Haumea, and Ceres. Pluto, formerly considered the 9th planet, reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Pluto is located in the Kuiper belt. Pluto has 5 known moons, including Charon, its largest. Ceres, the smallest dwarf planet, located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Asteroid belt, region between Mars and Jupiter containing millions of rocky bodies called asteroids. Most asteroids are irregular in shape. Kuiper belt, a vast region beyond Neptune, home to many icy objects, including Pluto. Oort cloud, a theoretical spherical cloud of icy planetesimals believed to surround the Sun at a great distance, source of long-period comets. Comets, icy, small solar system bodies that, when passing close to the Sun, outgas and display a visible coma, atmosphere, and sometimes a tail. Comets typically have two tails, a dust tail and an ion tail. Halley's comet is a famous short-period comet, visible from Earth every 75 to 76 years. Meteoroids, small rocky or metallic bodies in outer space. Meteors, a meteoroid that enters Earth's atmosphere and burns up, creating a streak of light, shooting star. Meteorites, a meteoroid that survives passage through the atmosphere and impacts the Earth's surface. The Sun's energy is produced through nuclear fusion, hydrogen into helium. The solar system formed approximately 4.6 billion years ago from a giant molecular cloud. The process of formation is known as the nebular hypothesis. The ecliptic is the plane of Earth's orbit around the Sun. Most planets orbit roughly in this plane. The gravitational force holds the solar system together. Orbital period is the time taken for a celestial body to complete one orbit around another. Rotation period is the time taken for a celestial body to complete one rotation on its axis. Astronomical unit, AU, is the average distance from the Earth to the Sun, approx 150 million kilometers. Light year is a unit of distance, the distance light travels in 1 year. The speed of light in a vacuum is approximately 299,792,458 meters per second. Heliocentric model, proposed by Copernicus, states that the Sun is at the center of the solar system. Geocentric model, earlier belief that Earth was at the center of the universe. Kepler's laws of planetary motion describe the motion of planets around the Sun. Newton's law of universal gravitation explains the force of attraction between any two objects with mass. Solar flares are sudden bursts of radiation from the Sun's surface. Solar wind is a stream of charged particles released from the Sun's upper atmosphere. Auroras, northern lights, southern lights, are caused by solar wind interacting with Earth's magnetic field. The magnetosphere is the region around a celestial object where its magnetic field dominates. The heliosphere is the vast region of space influenced by the Sun's solar wind. The termination shock is the boundary where the solar wind slows down to subsonic speeds. The heliopause is the theoretical boundary where the Sun's solar wind is stopped by the interstellar medium. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 are NASA probes that have crossed the heliopause. Exoplanets are planets orbiting stars other than the Sun. The habitable zone, Goldilocks zone, is the region around a star where conditions are suitable for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. Tidal forces are gravitational forces exerted by one celestial body on another. Synchronous rotation, tidal locking, is when a celestial body's orbital period matches its rotation period, example, Earth's moon. The solar system is constantly moving within the Milky Way galaxy. The Sun and solar system are currently about 2/3 of the way out from the galactic center. The entire solar system orbits the galactic center once every 225 to 250 million years, a galactic year. Terrestrial planets are characterized by a solid surface. Jovian planets lack a solid surface, they are primarily gaseous. The asteroid Vesta is one of the largest objects in the asteroid belt and is protoplanet. Ganymede, Jupiter's moon, is the only moon known to have its own magnetic field. Triton, Neptune's moon, is believed to have active geysers of nitrogen. The Sun's core temperature is approximately 15 million degrees Celsius. The outer layer of the Sun is called the corona. Our solar system is just one of countless star systems in the universe.